Hello and thanks for watching. I'm going to show you a couple Wave Wi-Fi products and some of our current and upcoming features that'll make things fantastic for you. I'm looking at on our website wavewifi.com recommended packages. The products I'm looking at that are connected right now are the Freedom LTE A Dome and MNC 1250 router. So here's the device status on MNC 1250 router 192.168.101.1. We have connected a Starlink system and Freedom LTE A Dome that I mentioned, and also the built-in Mobile Data 1 cellular internet capability, 4G LTE on Google Fi SIM card. This is the dome, which is currently connected to a SIM card, one of our tri-carrier SIMs. It's currently on AT&T for internet access. And it's connected, and it's favorited also, which, by the way, you can click on the star when it's not filled in and favorite a connection that you've made, either Mobile Data 1 or a hotspot. Okay, back on the router. The router is currently in manual mode, which is the default. Currently it's on Freedom LTE A, and it shows that in the upper right. There is also automatic mode, and we have auto 1, auto number 2, and auto number 3 configured. So the router, if it loses internet on auto number 1, it'll fail over to auto number 2, and if that one fails, over to number 3, and it also fails back if they come back in numerical order 1, 2, 3. So if 1 comes back up, it'll fail back to 1. The other mode that is up and coming is the load balance mode. If you click here to switch to load balance mode, and by the way, we already set some ratios for the 3 WANs that we have. Really quickly in settings, network settings, in each one of the WANs we set the balance ratio. So we set 25%, 25%, and 25%. Now the software in the router is going to massage that a little bit and balance them out to equal as close as possible to 100%. Okay, so back on device status. Now we're going into automatic mode. And you'll notice that the upper right has changed from connection like Freedom LTE A and the ISP to balanced and 3 WANs. Shortly here, these should turn a red color, the 3 that are in load balancing mode. Notice the device is currently in load balancing mode. And also we should get the ratios that the load balancing system set in here. It may not pop up right away, but eventually right next to reset it should say what percentage it actually set, because it's going to try to set them for you based on what you gave it as a criteria and make it match out to close to 100% as possible. So we're load balancing. We should be, let me just clear cache here. In case that, yeah, there's, see the percentage, 33, 33, and 33. Okay, so we're in load balancing mode. Here's a couple examples of speed tests that we've done, and I'm not telling you that you're going to get 343 megabits per second. It depends on what WAN sources you have and how fast they are, and if it can balance across 2 or 3 of them that are pretty fast. That is possible. Typically we get 140, 160 megabits per second in load balancing across some good WAN internet connections. So here's a typical 160. That one's 343. So there you go. That's load balancing mode. on the MNC 1250 router with a Freedom Dome Starlink connection and the built-in Mobile Data 1 4G LTE A cellular connection. Thank you for watching.